Miracast allows users to cast the display from a PC or mobile device to the touchscreen using Wi-Fi Direct. That means your device and the L7 do not even need to be on the same network, only within 30 feet of each other without any major obstructions. Since it comes pre-installed on most PCs and phones, the user does not need to download any apps like OneScreen Share. Before using Miracast, however, do turn on the Support Miracast Device option inside the OneScreen Share settings on your touchscreen. Then, note the device ID on the OneScreen Shares window as we will need it in the upcoming steps. To use Miracast on a Windows PC, search for Cast or connect your device wirelessly from the search option in your taskbar. You should be able to view all the OneScreen touchscreens you can cast your display to. Click on the device and on the touchscreen, press Allow. On the PC, you can additionally enable touch capability. That is the ability to use your device using touch on the L7. Choose to have the L7 as a duplicate, extended, or second screen-only display. Disconnect the screen sharing anytime by clicking on Disconnect. To use Miracast on your Android phone, go to your phone settings and search for the Screencast or Connect to a Wireless Display option. The exact option can be slightly differently named on different phones. Press on Search for Display Devices and allow the permissions. Press on the one screen you want to connect to and press Start Now. In some phones, a PIN code might appear for added security that you simply need to type into the touchscreen. Just a quick note, screen sharing with some phones does not give touch functionality on the touchscreen. Hence, you might not have the ability to control your phone using touch on the L7 in such cases. Press on Stop Screencast option inside the settings or from the drop-down menu in your phone by sliding your finger downwards from the top.